everyone, Angela here with Earrings by Angela. Thank you for joining me today. So I wanted to just talk about gemstones because I use a lot of gemstones in my jewelry, and many others do too, because first of all, they're freaking awesome. They're beautiful, beautiful, and they have natural healing properties, right? So if you want to learn more about crystals and stones, then I'll put the link in my Crystal 101 course, okay, in the description and in the comments for you. But so I put this in this series because it's very important to know your stuff, which is why on Wednesdays there is always a crystal video, because I want to keep you informed, because someone is going to ask you, well, what does this mean? Or I need a stone for this. And then you can tell them, oh, I think this will be a great fit for you, blah, 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 blah. So I want to tell you that they come in different shapes. This is a selenite. Oh my God, this is so powerful. This is an agate that someone actually dipped, right, and decorated. But look at that. Let me see. Can you see the crystal love? You see the sparklies in there? I love it. These are natural. Oh, yeah. I like how the light had captured that for just a moment. Okay, and this is Lapis Lazuli. So there's a video already on that for sure. So you can, I'll connect that video to it. And this is a hematite. Okay, this is rutilated quartz, which that video has been released. This is rainbow fluorite. I'm like, why am I holding it back? Rainbow fluorite. Okay, I mean, I have a little gem in there. Ignore that. So let me give you a close-up of the rutilated quartz, because this is so gorgeous. Wait. No, I like this one better. Oh, look at me choosing favorites. You're not supposed to do that, but I do it. You see how gorgeous that is? You see that the gold lining and flakes in there? That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love that. This would make a beautiful ring, I promise you. Anyway, and these are Peridot, or Peridot, however you want to say it. This is actually, because I'm Leo, my birthday is August 7th, you guys. This is my birthstone. Okay, so I love it. But these are little tiny nuggets. And I think it was 5 years ago. No, nah, I'm lying. It's not 5. Maybe 3 years ago. I made rings out of this. And on Facebook, as birthdays, remember how you used to throw birthday parties when you were in school? Well, since I never got to, because I had a summer birthday, I decided I'm going to bring it back as an adult. And I gave away 10 of these rings as my birthday. You know, like a grab bag, whatever, how you do that at a party to help me celebrate. It's fun times. And this is Untitled, you guys. This is a heart chakra stone, okay? So I think the video is out too. If not, it's coming up. But you definitely want to know that these come in different shapes and sizes. So one of the questions that I get is, if the stone is bigger, is it more powerful than the smaller stones? Well, I tell you what. This is how I explain it. If you're tall and I'm short, just based on height alone, because I am 4'11", and don't forget the half. If you're tall and I'm short, does your height make you more powerful than me? Absolutely not. So it doesn't matter how big the stone is. The power is still going to be very good. And let me keep that away from the other ones. I'm trying to tell you, y'all, these energies are something else. So that's a quick thing on gemstones, but you definitely want to know what you're talking about. So make sure you tune in on Wednesdays to learn about each different stones. And I will be doing more videos on other beads, not just gemstones, because I know that people want to know they're talking about. You know, if they have questions, someone will ask you. That has happened to me when I first started out, and I'm like, I don't know. It's just cute. So that's why I'm like, let me teach everybody I learned, because that's the thing. So it's great to use gemstones. You can make focals, you can make rings, you can make anything. You guys know the deal. It's a material, but definitely you want to have some in your collection, okay? So I thank you. This video is kind of short. I thank you. And again, I will put the link to that Crystal 101 video, because then they're going to ask you, well, how do you use stones? How do you connect with them? What are they for? And then watch the video and print out a workbook, and you can answer those questions. Okay, so put that in the description. Thank you for joining me today, you guys. And make sure you like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. And I will see you next time. Peace and blessings.